uh, is a large regional extent, and we need the international collaboration for this. Although NASA has global observations, but there are many kind of observation, not only NASA, but other international agency like a European agency, and even including the Vietnam National Space Center. But keep in mind that observation from space is only half of the equation. The other half of the equation is from the reality on the surface, what really happened in the Mekong regions, including the environmental change, including the socio-economic dimension of that. Therefore, international collaboration is a requirement, it's not a choice, because each of us have to work together to solve the problem in the entirety, not part of the elephant. So that's why we convened this meeting, including the participation from the region, like in Vietnam, the Mekong River Commission, including Cambodia, Laos, Thailand, and again Vietnam, and Malaysia, Indonesia, South Korea, Japan, and even from Europe. Also in North America, we would have the collaboration and participation from the United States and Canada. So this is truly an international science collaboration and participation for this Mekong workshop. The challenges on the environmental change can come from climate change and human intervention, human activities. All of these change can compound together to make the change stronger and rapid. The challenge here is that we have to capture all the components in order to understand every aspect of that rather than only one part of it. And the change occur rapidly, especially when there are a lot of dams and canal construction. Those have been built and more will be built. And these change can occur even more rapidly. And when more change happen, we can quantitatively identify the seriousness, how fast, how strong the change would occur. From there, we can develop the understanding of how these changes occur based on the fundamental basis of science. At NASA, we have a fleet of satellites for environmental observation to understand the Earth science processes. And from there, based on the science understanding, the data product. For example, for the Mekong case, we have the capability of measuring the river level, which we call river stage, which is the water level, and the amount of water flowing inside the river, which we call the river discharge. These are really practical parameters. This data product can be provided to the user together with the science understanding behind that, so that the data policy maker, the people can develop the strategy that really based on actual observation and understanding of the Earth science. And NASA approach is to have open science and open data, so everyone can get the data for free. It's free and it's accessible, and those kind of data would help responsibility agency for them to make the right kind of decision.